Good day, divergence traders. You know, I just come back home from being out and about, and I sat here and I said, wow, wowzers. There's really good divergence, after in the afternoon, right in here. So I said, let's do an afternoon video. How does that sound? How does that grab you? Okay, let's do it. Here's to it to do it. If you can't get to it to do it, here's to it to do it again. So we're doing it again. Okay? And if you ever like to drink some beer or vodka on the rocks and whatever, and you want to make a great toast, you say what I just said. Say it learn it, say it really fast. I bet you other people won't be able to repeat it. It's a real tongue twister. Here's to it to do it. If you can't get to it to do it, here's to it to do it again. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, I obviously memorized that from like 25 years ago or some shit. You have to, otherwise you won't be able to say it. You have to memorize it. You have to log it in the noggin. You have to log it in the noggin brain, Okay, shut up, Jason. Okay, here we go. So, here was the non-farm payroll, as you know, and went up. We already covered that, okay? But look what happened after that. Oh my goodness, look at this. We got a high, a retracement, and higher highs. Right? Right. And down here, where the hell? I draw that from? I'll just draw it from here. It's divergent for sure, 100%, okay? And we would have sold right up there against the trend, okay? But it worked out. I actually did this trade and snagged a little. So anyway, this was not a higher close because it wasn't close to the 5, but you could have done it if you wanted to. It's still a higher close candle, right? And you sell after that, and down it goes. Here's one of my, you can look at it as a higher close, sell it down it goes, okay? Or you can look at it as a hook down, okay? Right there. Right on the opening of this next candle, you would have sold it right there. It went down quickly, about 50 points, okay? Then, what are we waiting for down here? Well, we're waiting for it to put in a low and a lower low, and the way we go. Right here, a low, a retracement, and a lower low, okay? And the divergence was right here. So you would have jumped in somewhere in here, okay? Would have been on this candle. I don't think we got our 1-to-1. So we needed to get around 39 points. Did we get that? I don't think so. We got 32. But still, all this time it was going up and down, going nowhere. You could have like moved your stop. You could have took profit somewhere in here. You could see it was stalling forever. You definitely wouldn't want to take your profit over here. Okay? You'd want to take some profit out of this here somewhere, because it went up in 10 minutes. It went up like 29 points. You could have got at least 25 points. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Yeah, just like that. And then up here, okay, we had more divergence. We had high and higher highs. And if we even line it up from here down to here, let's see, which one was this? Okay, it was that one. And that one. But trust me, I can move it to here. It will still be divergent, okay? So trust me, see, if I move it right to the right spot, see, it's still divergent. This one's going up, this one's going down. Let's get selling, baby, and we go round and round. Okay, you ever hear that tune? Round and round. Yeah, that's a cool tune. I'm trying to remember the name of the band. I can't remember. It was a major hit back in the day for the rockers. Rat. The name of the band was called Rat. If any of you are old enough to remember Rat, then you'd know that song too. They've actually got back together again, and they're on YouTube. Put in Rat and, and check it out. Yeah, that singer there, I don't know his name, Piercy or something. Yeah, he's pretty scary looking, that dude. But anyway, what am I doing here? Is this the candle to sell? Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. I actually never bought the CD with that song Round and Round. I actually bought like one later after that, and it shows this gorgeous blonde chick standing by her bed. I don't know what it was called, but that was a really good one too. Some major hits on there too. So anyway, if you would have sold right there at 6,300 or just above it, our stop is always the closest swing high. So our stop was 33 points, and let's just say it went down 60. So you were good. Is there divergence down here? Oh, for sure. Right there. There's lots of divergence here, ladies and gentlemen, after this stuff over here, okay? And you would have got in long right there. It went up 29 points. The stop was 37. So, yeah, you got some points in here, man. You got some points. Okay, so that's the NASDAQ. There's probably more trades too in here, but I'm not going to mark them all. Come on now. This is the afternoon session. See, afternoon right here is 12 o'clock where this light gray goes into black. So it's after 12 o'clock noon session right here. And it was good. It was real good. Let's look at the S and the P. Yeah, look at that. Same trades, ladies and gentlemen. Same trades. Okay. We have a double top or high and higher high. And it's divergent even like from over here. Down like that. It's divergent, man. So if you sold it here, your stop is the closest swing high. The one nearest to you right there. There's 11 points. Went down 27 points, man. What do we have up here? A high and a higher high. What do we have here? A low and a lower low. What do we have, ladies and gentlemen? We got more freaking divergence, man. That's what we got. With winning trades on every turn. Every turn, ladies and gentlemen. Why don't traders want to trade divergence? Because they don't trust it. When they should trust it. Because there's divergence on every freaking turn, every U-turn, every corner. Okay? That's why they should trust it, but they won't. They'll say, oh, they just use it as a confirmation of a filter to get in their trade. When really they should just be using it to get in their trade. Oh, well. Like I tell you, for a lot of people, I guess, they don't want to take the time to learn it and see it and trade it. That's the problem. Okay, I'm marking all my lines here. Soon I'll mark all my arrows. Okay, of all the winning trades. So if you would have got in right there, and got in right there. I don't like the ones that quickly take off on the turn. I like the ones that go like this. It gives you time to think about it. There's like 5, 10, 15 minutes or so. You had time to go, should I do this? Should I do it? Yeah, let's do it. Let's jump in. Let's sell right there. Boom. And it goes down 13 points, almost 14 points. This is the S and the P, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? This one here, if you jumped in mid-flight, it was another like 11 points. This one from up here is like lots of points. 27 points. S&P, ladies and gentlemen. How do you like them apples? Then I forgot my line right here. Okay, for here, here's the line for here to buy. Here's the line here and here to sell. And then here's the line here and here to buy. I just need to put my arrow on there. You would have got long right there. And up it went, 10 points. See that? Look at how beautiful that looks. Doesn't it? Isn't that beautiful? Like a beautiful redhead with blue eyes. Yeah, I love redheads. Oh, they're so sweet. They're just the sweetest. Anyway, actually my first girlfriend, Michelin, she was kind of like a 90% redhead and 10% brown. Brown hair. She was a sweetie. Little French chick. Yes, but that was a long time ago when I was 18. That's over 40 years ago. Oh, shit. Anyway, this chart is like a beautiful redheaded lady. That's what it is. Okay, let's move on now to the Dow. What did the Dow do in the afternoon session? Oh, yeah, it was good, man. It was good. It was all good. To me, this is like close enough. You know what I mean? It's like a double top. Come on. You can't be perfect all the time and have it go right up to the tick. You can't have that. We can't have that. You know what I mean? It's just this right here, you know? Divergence. Yeah, and when this big knockdown candle happened right here, because we got to get the 5 to cross below the 7, and it didn't do that right here, okay? So you would have waited for a retracement, or you would have got in right there. There's the entry point because the 5 crossed down below the 7, and the price definitely closed down below the 2 moving averages. So if you would have got in on a you know, a little retracement right there, our stop would be right up here, the closest swing high. This is the US 30, the Dow. So there's like 35 point stop. Did we get 35? I bet you we got 70. I bet you even more. Look at that. Went down 170 freaking points. Look at that shit. And what about down here? Is there any divergence down here? Oh, yeah. It's all running on the same algorithm today. There's just beautiful divergence on every corner. High, retracement, higher high. Oh, you little bugger, you stick to the top of that wick. And run right here, double bottom, right there, or low and lower low, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, there's lots of divergence in the afternoon, huh? The afternoon session, yeah. I know, people are going to be surprised to see this video in their, you know, their email box. Yeah, I know. I might do this now from now on. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how it goes. So if you would have sold, you done well. If you would have bought right here, quickly and rapidly in 15 minutes, it went up 130 points. And then over here, we do the sell, and it went down 92 points. Shit, I shouldn't have went out and bought t-shirts today. I should have stayed here and traded it. Okay, and then we would have got in somewhere in here, and it went up 76 points. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I think it's amazing. Let's see this here. Yeah, there was nothing. It just ended the day with its little little candles. That's what it did. Okay, that was the Dow. It was a beautiful thing. 3 divergence trades, 2 sells, and 1 buy. Or actually, no, I didn't put the arrow on there yet. Mode Z. There was 2 buys and 2 sells, and all of them made you something if you would have took them. Woulda, coulda, shoulda is the name of the game. Pound dollar. What did it? Yeah, did see pound dollar didn't do much after. It just did a little trend down. Oh, it had 1 trade. Actually, no, it had trades from up here too. High and higher high. And here's the divergence right here. Okay. Lines up. It's divergent. That's what we want to see. Okay. Got short right there. Your stop is right there, 18 pips, and it went down 26 pips. And then we had low and lower lows. And we had this on the indicator, the divergence. So you would have, could have, should have bought it right there. And it went up 17 pips. That was beautiful. And then there was divergence here also, if you really want to count it, double top. Like that. And like that. And you would have got short. Right there. Your stop would have been 10 pips. Did it go down 10? Yeah, just. It went down 12. You would have got that, man. You would have got it. Let's see what the euro is the same pattern. Yeah. See, very same kind of pattern. Double top, ladies and gentlemen. This one was a little weird to draw it, but hey, it worked. It worked. See, it lines up. As long as it lines up, it's good, man. Right there, get short, boom, boom, boom. And it went down 42 pips on the euro dollar. And there's divergence here again. As you can see, it didn't go very far. Good enough for that one. Pound yen, let's check that out. Pound yen, pound yen. Oh. Didn't really have divergence down here to buy it to go up here. Okay? It just didn't. So, I'm not going to waste my time on this. I could draw a little doodah saying lower close, up it goes. It's just, it turned into shit here. This is the trade I did today. I sold right here, and it went down here, and I thought it was going to go through this, sweep the lows, as they say, and it fucking did it. It did it on purpose, too, just to piss me off. Bastards. Anyway, so I didn't take it here, and I was hoping it was going to come back and burst through there. Didn't do that. Just kept coming back up, and I got out right here at break even, like I already told you today. And then it went up and up and up and up. Yeah, whatever. Screw you too, pound yen. And here's the euro yen. Aha. It doesn't have divergence here either. There's no divergence. And up here, well, yeah, we already drew it in the day session video. Morning session, New York morning session. That's what happened here. There's no divergence to buy it to go up here. Look at that shit. However, we did have one trade, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to show it to you. It's a high, a retracement, and a higher high. Okay? And right here to right here. It was sold there. Stop was small, 10 pips, 11 pips. Went down 21 pips. Okay? Now let's take a look at gold. Let's see what did it do in the afternoon session. Oh yeah. Nothing there. I don't see there's no divergence up there, man. There's just not. So the only thing we could do is this. Oh, come on. Let's put this here where you can see it. Higher close. Right there. Sell it. Down it goes. Down it goes. And here's another one right here. Higher close. Sell it. right spot. And down it goes. Didn't go down much. But so anyway, if you stayed short from up here, it went down. This is what? Gold. Holy mother Fuker. It went down 144 pips. It doesn't look like it, but it did. Holy shit, man. There's one more trade and we'll be done with gold. It's right here. Low and lower low like that. And the divergence like that. And the arrowhead just like that. You see how everything lines up every time? It's like puts in the low, does a little retracement, puts in the lower low, and then slowly goes, and then the 5 crosses up above the 7, and there's divergence there. So you buy it. You buy it right here, and look, it goes up 66 points, man, or ticks. It's a beautiful thing. Just like down here, how much did it go down? Like 140 from here. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that chart is. I just want to stare at it all night, all weekend. Okay. Let's check out oil. What did it do in the afternoon? I don't think it did much. No, it chopped around. Caca. Oil? Caca. Bad. Bad. Very bad. Bad instrument today. Not good. Yeah. I was trading it today too. And it didn't go where I wanted it to go. Oh well. What can you do? Okay, so that's it. This is the afternoon session we just covered. I think I'll start doing that from now on, unless it gets real ugly and there's no divergence to, to show you, then I won't do it. But anyway, I want to thank you for listening this evening and watching, and I hope you enjoyed the show, and good luck, good trading, have a good weekend.